Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to do is broccoli and carrot porridge for my baby. So let's see what the ingredients needed to do the porridge. So basically we need garlic and then ginger, garlic and ginger paste. I already make a paste here. A raisin, so you can take about 5 to 6 of it. And then we have a bit of salt. Here we have broccoli. I took half a broccoli. You can chop into small pieces. And then we have carrot. I took half a carrot. You can basically shred it. And then we have almond. So you can take about 5 to 6 of it. But this almond you need to soak it overnight and peel off the skin before you can actually put into the porridge. This is very good for baby. A bit of your olive oil. Once the almond skin has been peeled off, so this is how it looks like. So I'm going to pound this before I put into the porridge. I pounded the almond, so it will look like this. This is the baby rice that I'm using. This rice is actually very small. I mixed with the millet. The yellow is the millet. So we are taking 4 scoops, yeah? 2, 3, and 4 scoops. This is the rice that I'm actually using for my baby. It's actually organic, which I purchased online. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the rice is half cooked now. So well, you can actually add the ingredients. So now I'm going to add the ginger garlic paste, the almond, and also the raisin all together. Okay, followed by the broccoli. And the carrot. You can add the almond water as well. And a bit of olive oil. So basically we already put all the ingredients, yeah, except the salt. So stir well. Alright. Close it. We shall wait for an hour time. It's already an hour, so let's see how the rice look like. Wow, so colorful. Okay, looks like the rice already fully cooked. So you can add the salt. Stir well. Nice smell. Wow. The broccoli, the carrot, ginger, garlic, almond, raisin make a perfect combination. Yeah. Okay, now let's close. Leave it about 10 minutes, then you can switch off the slow cooker. Ta-da! Broccoli and carrot porridge is ready to be served. Actually, this is a healthy porridge where you can give your toddler and kids. Surely they will love it. Ta-da! Daria loved the porridge so much. Happy daughter, happy mother. Till I see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching my videos. If you like this channel, please thumbs up, subscribe and share.